The video is the introduction about some network statistic, provided by iNet-Portable. Firstly, choose menu General Statistic. You can see in the menu, there are 5 statistics shown, which are packets per second, bits per second, network utilization, statistic single node, and top user usage statistic. We will start with item packets per second. The graph shows numbers of packets are running per second. You can get information about current packet per second, average packet per second, highest packet per second, and the date achieved highest. The blue and red lines are corresponded to the current and average packet per second, which is shown on the graph. Looking at the graph, the horizontal is the time captured. It is increased gradually. The time interval is 5 milliseconds. The vertical is number of packet per second, with the index of 0.25. The next item is bits per second. It shows the numbers of packets are running based on bits per second. As the packet per second statistic, you can get information about current bit per second, average bit per second, highest bit per second, and the date achieved highest. The blue and red lines on the graph are corresponded to the current and average bit per second. Looking at the graph, the horizontal is the time captured. The vertical is number of packet per second. You also can see both viewed packet and bit per second statistics on the same screen. Item network utilization show the use of the network. You can get information about current utilization, average utilization, highest utilization, and the date achieved highest. The blue and red lines on the graph are corresponded to the current and average utilization. The utilization is shown in percent, is the ratio of current network traffic to the maximum traffic, 100 megabytes. The horizontal is the time, and vertical are percent of utilization respectively. Through network utilization, we can understand whether the network is busy, high utilization, normal or idle, low utilization. When network utilization exceeds the threshold under normal conditions, it will cause low transmission speed, intermittence, request delay, and so on. Another item is single node statistics to show the network utilization about a specified node. There are 3 types of statistics: overall single network utilization, which includes send, receive utilization. By default, the single node is your computer's node. In each view, besides some network utilization, you also can see the MAC or IP address of the monitored node. The blue and red lines on the graph are corresponded to the current and average utilization. The horizontal is the time and the vertical is the utilization in percentage. Item top user usage monitoring. This is the statistic about users of the network who use the network most. We can see some information about top users such as user's IP address, protocol type, bytes, last time seen, and MAC address. For each user, you can right-click on that user to see more detail, including viewed details, capture and decode, trace this node, and single node statistic. We will take a look at viewed details item. The window shows you some basic information about that user: MAC, IPv4, IPv6 address, net BIOS name, OS, some description, and the date. The right side is the group that the computer belongs to, workgroup and subnet. The second sub-item is capture and decode. The analyze about that node is shown, and you can notice that the filter is by the MAC or IP address. Let's go back to the top user usage statistic. The third sub-item is trace this node. It will bring you to the net trace screen where you can trace which computers have the connection with the node. You also can see other useful information. For more detail, please refer to net trace video. Last but not least is single node statistic sub-item, which take you to the network utilization of that node, including overall, send, receive node mentioned before.